Any comments on class?
Beautiful, fabulous. Excellent.
Thank you. Favorite design of the week?
Michael.
I was the favorite design of the week. Okay. That's very sweet. Flower School 101.
Wait for me, I'm not far behind. I know that I can change. Remembering all of those nights